Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about elements. Do you know what are elements? If you don't know, so let me tell you. Elements are building blocks of everything around us. They are like different kinds of Lego bricks. Each brick is unique in shape, color and sizes. Just like you can build different things with different Lego bricks. Elements refer to simple things that cannot be broken down into smaller parts or changed into another thing. Elements are unique and can combine to make all the stuff in the world. For example, oxygen. Oxygen is a small invisible Lego brick that helps us breathe. Iron. Iron is a strong heavy brick that we use to make tools or buildings. Gold. Gold is a shiny special brick that people use to make jewelries like necklace. When elements stick together, they form all kinds of things like water, plants and even our bodies. Each element is so special and have unique qualities. For our convenience, in 1869, Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev created framework that became modern periodic table. Periodic table is like a big map for all the different types of elements. Mendeleev noticed that elements had patterns in their properties when arranged by their atomic weight. He organized the elements into a table by putting elements with similar properties into a column and arranging them in rows by their atomic number. This special chart helps us to understand and organize all the elements in a way that shows how they relate to each other. As scientists discovered new elements, they added them to the table by filling in gaps and expanding it. Till the date, we have 18 groups, 7 periods, and 118 known elements. It is widely regarded as one of the most important achievements in science. Let's learn about the first element of periodic table. In periodic table, hydrogen is the first element located in group 1 and period 1. Its atomic number is 1. Its symbol is capital H. Its properties are it's odorless, it's colorless, and it's tasteless at room temperature. Hydrogen is the simplest and lightest element in the universe. Imagine, it is the tiniest building block you can ever think of. Hydrogen is super common. It is found in water where it is bonded with oxygen. It is also found in the sun and star, helping them shine through a process called nuclear fusion. Hydrogen is tiniest important building block that helps us make up many large things like cars and power rockets. Hydrogen is used as a coolant in generators and other equipments due to its excellent thermal conductivity. Thank you for watching and liking my video. Please subscribe my channel for more scientific videos. Bye.